Okie dokie. So this is gonna be the last one for today because my dog is asking me to go for a walk and it's beautiful outside, so might as well take him for a walk. I already went for a bike ride myself to work off breakfast, so I can work off lunch with a long walk. But before I do that, I want to play for you one of my favorite beginner songs called Sawmill Creek. It's supposed to have a solo piano accompaniment, but clearly I'm not playing with anybody else. Playing with me, myself, and I, which is a perfect team. So I'm just going to play without that, and I'm going to skip the long rests, because there's like a 2-measure rest a couple of times, and I'm not going to make you sit through 2 measures of silence. That's ridiculous. I don't even like doing that. So I'm going to skip it. Okie dokie, here we go. I almost played that perfect. I am so disappointed in myself. I can't believe it. I made that one mistake at the end of the damn song. Excuse my language. I shouldn't say the D word. That's mean. But at the end of the song, I made that one mistake. I'm kind of really salty about that. Oh, I was so close. So close to being perfect. Next time. I'll play for you next time, and I'll play it perfect. Okay? I'll make that a promise. Well, au revoir, and have a lovely, 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 lovely day. Enjoy the sunshine, and the flowers, and the fresh air, and the wonderfulness of life.